Automation is a key factor in the rapid evolution of the corporate landscape. Businesses are adopting automation as a fundamental tool to stay competitive in the digital world. Let us explore 4 types of business automation that drive success and shape the future of modern businesses. Marketing automation programs streamline marketing activities, saving time and resources. CRM automation automates sales pipelines, tracks client interactions, and manages customer data. Accounting automation streamlines bookkeeping, expense tracking, and financial reporting. HR automation saves time managing employee data, benefits, payroll, onboarding, and attendance. Automation is altering the future of business through technological advancements. Enhanced productivity and efficiency are significant advantages of automation. Businesses can achieve cost savings by automating activities, reducing labor costs, and eliminating errors. It also improves customer service by enabling faster responses and personalized interactions. Data-driven decision-making is facilitated by automation, providing real-time insights and analysis. It makes businesses more adaptable and agile in response to changing market conditions. Businesses should examine processes and identify areas where automation can streamline operations. Simply put, automation can save time, reduce errors, enhance productivity, and allow focus on key tasks. The appropriate automation technologies can take your business to the next level. Stay tuned to onpassive.com to know more about the latest technologies and updates on AI-powered business solutions.